So this car was wrapped in Battleship Gray, was delivered to the customer. It came back, it had starting issues, so we diagnosed it and we realized the alternator needed to be replaced. So we replaced it and now the car's 100%.
All right.
All right.
All right.
Lamborghini Huracan, front end was chewed up, so the customer wanted to repaint the entire front end. Pulled off the bumper, fenders, we got them ready, prepped them for paint, painted them with PPG factory paint, buffed it, put it back on, then we re-clear brought it, had the expel paint protection again on it. That's how you make a Huracan look new after 10,000 miles.
Now that's a Range Rover right there.
Falling and I'm a whip, yeah. Out in Fairfax, going hard in the pit, yeah. I still ball on the pitch, yeah. Something wrong with the picture.
Who's that? Low. His name's Low. He's a good friend of ours. Good dude.
Been away way longer than I'm used to. You started hanging with a new crew, talking to my friends like that's something that I'm used to. I never cash L's, I just wanted him to lose you. Now it's like damn, puffing on the bush at Uncle Sam's. Who'd have thought that he would understand? And I just never fall out, I just wanna win. I'm in it for the long run, I do this on my fam.
What's going on with this one?
We're gonna change out the wheels again, go back to stock, but we just powder coated the wheels gloss black, so we're gonna throw them on this car right now.
Where you from, man?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
What are you doing out here?
Well, just visiting around, visiting family. Yeah.
Nice. What do you think of RDB?
It's pretty dope.
Yeah.
It's pretty sick. I love it.
Nice.
Oh,
Looks good, man. Looks good. What size are those?
These are 24s.
Put the place up.
One of our customers had his spare tires cover stolen from his G-Wagon. It's very common in Los Angeles, so he wanted it replaced right away. So we're doing a quick one-day turnaround. It's a very, very dark gray from Mercedes-Benz, so it's not just black. So we prepped it, painted it all in one day, got it ready for him. You guys saw us shoot the paint, the clear coat, everything. So now it's just drying up.
putting on a plate on this done, getting it ready, and we're also servicing the car, full service, and tires on this car.